Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're reviewing a wireless pair of TV headphones. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. Today's episode, we're reviewing a very unique product. This is from the company ANSTEN, and this is the AS60 TV headphones. This is a 2.4 gigahertz set of TV headphones. You can connect this with Optical, you can connect this with RCA, and this essentially allows you to have a wireless pair of headphones always connected to your TV. And with this particular product, you do get like a docking station that you can easily set your headphones onto when you're done utilizing it. This pair of TV headphones also supports a distance of 197 feet for its wireless transmission, and there's also 3 different audio modes you can switch these headphones onto. But before we actually get started with this Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below, hit that subscribe button, and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. Have any questions or concerns, leave a comment, enjoy the video, leave a like, and then also share this video out to anybody who may be interested in a pair of TV headphones. And then lastly, product information, specifications, and details will be listed down below in the description for those who are interested, alongside with the link to make a purchase if you're interested in buying this product. But right now, what we're going to do is actually move over to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. So as you guys can see, the packaging is very simple with this product. There's not a whole lot going on with this packaging, but what we're going to do is actually take this over to a secondary camera angle so you guys can have a closer shot at this product. So on the front of the box, it just says 2.4G hi-fi audios TV headphones, and we have a visual representation of the headphones themselves. I already told you guys the reference number, and there's just a few specifications and details as I flip it onto its side. And I did forget to mention that these pair of headphones actually support 10 hours on a single charge. But why don't we unbox it? We're going to just open up the flaps, pull the flaps off to the side, and what we're going to do is actually remove all the different accessories that are on top of the box off to the side, and let's actually try to pull out these headphones. So let me actually remove the headphones. I'm going to try, kind of remove all this packaging material that they added, but it's really nice to see that they put a lot of, packaging into this product. And I'm just going to set this back on top right there and move this off to the side for now. But now let's take a look at the different accessories that are included with the packaging. So inside this bag, we actually have our Optical cord, and this could be used to connect to your TV, especially if your TV supports Optical functionality. And we also have an RCA cable. We also have a USB Type B to standard, US port that you can actually plug in to supply power to these TV headphones. And the cable's pretty long, so this will be used to, charge up your headphones and keep it juiced up when you're not using it. And then last but not least, for our accessories, we have our warranty card, and we also have a nice little product information guide. And this would be used, very useful, especially if you're trying to set up this product. It just explains to you all the different functionalities and features that this pair of TV headphones has to offer. But now, let's take a look at the actual pair of TV headphones. So this is the stand for this TV headphones, and you guys can see we have some prongs on the top that actually, it's like a docking station for your headphones. You just set your headphones on top, and it's going to, automatically juice up your headphones when you have this plugged in. The stand itself is pretty sturdy. It is made out of plastic, but it is solid plastic, so don't worry about the durability. On this side, this is where all the different connectivity ports and functionalities are. So we have our aux and our Optical switch, so you can actually switch between the two. We have our aux port, our Optical port in the middle, and then we have our micro USB charging port to actually charge up these headphones. And then we also have our on and off switch, which actually can turn on and off this headphone TV stand. So overall, it's a very interesting stand. It covers a lot of features and stuff. We also have some LED indications right here, but once we actually power this on, you guys will actually see. So let me set this off to the side for now, and let's take a look at the pair of headphones themselves. It's a pretty simple design, but you do got a lot of media controls and functionalities all over it, which is very neat. But let me start with the bottom. So you guys can see this is where the prongs will actually make a connection, and then from there we'll actually start charging up these headphones when you set it on top of that docking station that I showed you guys. We have an aux port right here. We have our micro USB charging port right here as well. And on this side, you guys can see our power on and off button. We have our volume up, volume down button. You can easily extend this so that it can actually fit on top of your head. And right now, what we're gonna do is actually move over to the testing and demonstration portion of this video. Before we move over to the testing part of the video where we actually connect this to the TV, I do want to plug this in just right here just to see how it looks like. So I do have an extension cable that we're going to be utilizing, and what I'm going to do is actually plug this PAL cable into the extension, and we're going to plug this into the back of this docking station. And you guys can see we have the green light right on just a moment ago, and that shows it's actually getting powered up. And I think as soon as I actually put the headphones on this docking station, here we go, yeah, it does light up. I don't know if you guys can see that with my primary camera angle. We have a red light letting me know it's actually getting charged as we are speaking currently. The last thing I want to do before we actually move over and test this out with our TV though is actually just put this on. I just want to see how does the fit feel like. This is actually not bad. There is a little bit of noise canceling. It's hard to kind of, pinpoint or make out any noise around me, which is good. But I mean, I am in a pretty quiet area, but I'm not hearing all the ambient noise I would typically hear, or like, the AC and stuff. So this does have some sort of noise canceling a little bit to it. So that's been really nice to see. And then like I showed you guys, you can easily adjust the length of this headphones depending on how big your head is. Since I got a haircut, I don't need to extend it like I typically need to. So far, it's a pretty fantastic pair of headphones, but we still need to test out the sound quality and the TV connection. So let's actually commence the testing of these TV headphones. We're gonna test it out with a TV that I have, and we're gonna just kind of test it out, see all the different features it has, sample it, and then see also how good the sound quality is. But with my setup, it's gonna be a little interesting and a little tricky for me to showcase this, but I'll do my best to actually show you guys all the different features. But since I've already showed you guys how to plug this in, power it on and stuff like that, I'm not going to repeat those steps. So what I did right here is actually connect this TV headphones to its power source. And for my test, I'm actually using Optical. So on the back side of this, which I'm going to try to show you guys here, on the back side of this, you guys can see this is the ports I'm using. So one of them is our PAL cable, and this right here is actually our Optical. Depending on your setup, you might use the RCA. And I do want to mention one thing. If you are going to use Optical, make sure you switch this to Optical. If you're going to use RCA, make sure you switch this to RCA. And also make sure that this is on. So you might have to switch that off from the off position to the on position, depending on if you haven't done that already. Here's the back side of my TV. You guys can see this is all the different ports and connectivity I/O interfaces I have. The Optical cable is actually connected at the very top. Depending on your TV, you may have Optical, but if not, you probably have RCA, and you can connect the cables that I showed you guys in the unboxing part of the video to this TV, or your TV I should say, and then you just run the other end of that cable back into the TV, or the TV headphone stand I should say. So now that we actually connected the stand to its power source and connected either RCA or Optical to the TV headphone stand, you're ready to go essentially. But now let's shift our attention onto the headphones themselves. You are going to need to power it on. So with that power button, you just hold down on it, just like so, and you should see a blue light on one of the sides. I don't know if you guys can see that blue light right there, and that lets you know it's actually on. And then also on your base, you should see green and blue lights letting you know that it's actually paired up to your stand. So do keep in mind, if you don't see that, that means it didn't sync up properly. But in my case, I can actually see those lights, so we should be good to go. And for some TVs, you are going to need to actually switch your input or your sound input on the TV. So let me go into my TV settings. I'm using a Samsung. We're going to go into sound output here and switch it to audio out Optical, because I'm using Optical. And right now, all the audio should be transmitted to these headphones that we're using right here. So I'm going to put these on and see if the audio actually comes through these headphones. We're going to go to my YouTube channel here and actually pick a video just to kind of watch and sample with. So I'm going to pick an example video, And I can actually hear the audio coming through these headphones. All right, so the video is playing right now. I can hear the audio. Sounds pretty good so far.
Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode. Today,
Sounds very loud and direct. I don't see any latency issues so far, so that's good. But yeah, I'm liking the sound quality so far though. I can give you guys a sound sample real quick. You guys can see the music's, the sound is actually getting passed through these headphones.
Product that we're reviewing today, and this is actually from the company Melville.
So yeah, it does work though. I did show you guys, you know, you can increase the volume and decrease the volume too. So let's increase the volume and see how that works. Looks like a max volume because I can hear it beeping, but then you could also decrease the volume. So right now the volume's going down. So yeah, it's very nice. But let me increase it back up since we're testing it out. Max volume. But yeah, with these headphones on, it's really hard to kind of hear like my surroundings right now. So the noise canceling is working really well with these headphones. And on top of these headphones, you do have 3 different modes you can switch it to for the sound quality. You have the normal mode, you have music mode, and you also have movie mode. I believe if you click on this button right here, and if you look at your bass, and if one of the bass colors changes to orange, that means you are in, I believe, music mode. And if you click it again and it switches to blue, that means you are in movie mode. So you do have 3 different modes you can switch it to. So depending on whatever you're watching, you may want to switch those modes to actually get a better sounding effect through these headphones. And on top of that, these headphones do have a built-in microphone, and they also have a built-in aux port, so that if you wanted to, you can actually technically connect some sort of device to these headphones and actually use it with a wired connection instead of a wireless connection. But with my wireless connection, I'm not experiencing any latency issues. Well, the video seems to be on time. It seems to be, you know, not delayed at all, which is really good. And yeah, it sounds really good. So if you want to be able to watch stuff but not disturb your family, definitely get some sort of TV headphones like this one, so that you can actually enjoy your TV experience without, you know, impacting or disturbing those around you. But yeah, I like these headphones though. But I think that's probably going to conclude our test. I think I mentioned everything. But yeah, these headphones, not bad at all. So what we're going to do right now is actually move over to the final opinions and remarks and actually end off this video. So, what are my final opinions and remarks about the ANSTEN TV headphones? Well, this is a fantastic pair of TV headphones. This is actually the first pair of headphones that I've owned that actually supports, you know, this kind of functionality. You know, I haven't really reviewed any headphones with this kind of functionality in the past. So it's very interesting to have a pair of headphones that can, you know, be sat on top of a docking station and, you know, automatically charged up, because, like I said, I've never had this functionality before. It's very, very neat. And the crazy thing about this pair of TV headphones is it has pretty low latency. So when you're watching, you know, movies or watching the news and stuff like that, you're not gonna, you know, really get a delay in audio. So the wireless connection, the 2.4G connection that they actually implemented into this pair of TV headphones is actually amazing. The range is also good too. You could get about 197 feet if there's no obstacles in the way. So, you know, it's a very solid pair of TV headphones. But that's gonna conclude our video for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode, and if you guys did, make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. Have any questions or concerns? Leave a comment. Enjoy the video, leave a like, and then also share this video out to anybody who may be interested in a pair of TV headphones. Our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message if you want to potentially work with me, or if you need any photo assistance with this product, you all are welcome to shoot me an email. And then lastly, product information, specifications, and details will be listed down below in the description for those who are interested, alongside with the link to make a purchase if you're interested in buying this exact product. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode. I know I did making this video, and I hope to see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing off. Thank you guys all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.